sustainability, especially on farms, is not just confined to the end product. And when you have sustainable, organic, pasture-based milk, that's when I believe that cheese is quality that deserves the price. When you support the local farms, and there's a lot of them, they'll spend their money locally. That starts to springboard, and Kelowna has grown exponentially. Still a small town, but the businesses rival any other town in Iowa. Because I believe the undergirding economic model is not having one large farmer, but many small farmers.